step tablet holder. Guys, I need my
Yes.
card if you can grab it, or unless I'm holding it in the stack right here. Okay. So, new but not new, all right? And we'll explain why. There are 17 brand new items in this show. I'm going to run over here real quick and grab my card from my friend. But you were actually telling me this is like a modified version of something that we had in the past.
Yeah, so we've done a tablet holder before, but never this profile, never, I'm going to switch over here, never this profile, and of course, never this collection of patterns. So I love that we have something for everybody, and then we'll bring it to life over here, but just showing you the colors.
And I'm super excited because it's your way to like display your favorite Temp-tations pattern always, whether there is a tablet or a cookbook or whatever on top of it or not. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through those choices, and this is where I'm going to switch places.
Sure, there's confetti in the back. So starting right here, matches the Jen's apron.
Yay.
Then we have red floral lace, blue floral lace, doodle-doo in our red. Like that screams country kitchen, farmhouse chic. I can't even stand it. Patriotic, and yes, believe it or not, we have
the Pawfetti early.
I have the Pawfetti sitting on my desk. I'll tell you so many different ways that I use it.
Guys, we have
a couple
fewer
of
than
color choices.
1,800 total.
Oh boy.
We better run.
I was just going to say we're down to 48 seconds. I'm stressed.
Oh God, we only have 48 seconds.
Here we go. Ready?
Okay.
Here's what you do with it. So you can put it as a little notepad. This was hilarious, asking someone to watch their dogs. You can use it for your tablet. So when you think about the sizing, I love the fact that it'll hold your tablet, of course. It'll hold your cell phone. I made sure that was off.
Oh,
so
you know how
Ed,
many
don't
people
call
are
me
only
right
gonna
now.
use it for that? I mean, just to
Are you
always
kidding?
have the phone.
I'm constantly looking at my
FaceTime
recipes.
with your, you know, your loved one while you're making dinner.
Yes. And then again, there it is, just with nothing on it. Recipe cards or little, this is where I use it in my office, where I have little stickies on it and things that I need to remember. So this is one of those great pieces, fully made in stoneware, has that beautiful base right there, and all individually hand-painted.
You guys, it's
unbelievable.
$18. That's an easy pay of $3.64. Hey, that popcorn bucket's really cute. I wish that were in the show.
Hey, guess what? It's one of the new.
Let's just go ahead and put it in the show. K77779 is your item number. $18, one of the more affordable items in the show. That's going to become a collector's item as well. All right. There's only 1,500 left total. That could easily go while we're just talking about the snack caddies.
Oh, the snack caddies. So we can start here and then we'll run over to colors. Okay, so I debuted this last year and I got such great feedback from you guys. You loved it, but you wanted to make it a little bit bigger, a little bit longer. So I designed these original, first of all, will they stack?